Hello friends, welcome to my channel online learning website. Today we discuss the topic periodic classification of elements, objective questions. Those are very important for your examinations. The next question is question 18. Assertions A. The in the periodic table of the chemical element, electron affinity is always found to increase from top to bottom in a group. Reason R. In a group, the atomic radii generally increase from top to bottom. The right answer is 18 ka D, that is A is false but R is true. Next question, question 19. The properties of elements of Mendeleev's periodic law were the periodic function of their atomic weight. Question 20. The long form of periodic table was developed by Range and Werner. Question number 21. The long form of periodic table is based on. The right answer is D, that is atomic number. Question number 22. Modern periodic table is based on the atomic number of the elements. The significance of atomic number was proved by the equipment of. The right answer is A. Moseley work on X-ray spectra. Question 23. In a period, the elements are arranged in the order of increasing charges in the nucleus. Question 24. All the elements in a group in the periodic tables have the same number of the valence electron. Question 25. The most electronegative elements among the following is C. Fluorine. Question 26. Which of the following has the smallest size? Al3 plus. Question 27. The arrangement of sodium Rb, K, Cs in the increasing order of the atomic radius is Na, K, Rb and Cs. Which of the following represent the correct order of increasing atomic size? Increasing ionic size. Al3 plus, Mg2 plus, Na plus, F minus and O2 minus. Question 29. The element that has the highest first ionization potential is nitrogen. Question 30. Which among the following has the highest ionization potential? Ne. Question 31. The electron affinity of the chlorine is the highest than that of the fluorine due to. The right answer is B. Bigger size. Question 32. Electron affinity of the noble gases is almost zero. Question 33. Which of the following element has the lowest electron affinity? Argon. Question 34. The calculation of the electronegativity was first done by Pauling. The next question, question 35. The most electropositive amongst the alkaline earth metal is barium. Question 36. Which of the following pairs do not have the diagonal relationship? Sodium and magnesium. Question 37. The elements having the lowest melting point in periodic table is helium. Which of the following is not a liquid element? Calcium. Which has the maximum conductivity? Copper. Question 40. First of all the elements were classified by Newlands. Question 41. The elements was atomic number is 2, 10, 18, 36, 54 and 86 are all inert gases. Question number 42. The most common lanthanide is cerium. Question 43. Which one of the following is the electronic configuration exhibits metallic characteristic? 282. Question 44. The screening effect of inner electrons of the nucleus causes no effect on the ionization energy. Question 45. Diagonal relationship shown by element of second period. Question 46. Aluminium bears a diagonal relationship with beryllium. Question 47. The long form of periodic table consists of 7 horizontal and 18 vertical series. Question 48. Which of the following ions will form the most water-soluble hydroxide? K+. Which of the following amongst the alkalis metals is the most reactive? Cs. Question 50. Which of the following pairs of elements is in the same period of the periodic table? Sodium chlorine. Which is the chemically most active non-metal is F2. Question 52. The total number of lanthanide element is 14. Question 55. The general electronic configuration of the elements of p block is represented by ns2 np1 to ns2 np5. Ionization energy of the nitrogen is greater than that of oxygen because nitrogen has the stable half-filled 2p sublevel. Question 55. In the following four elements, the ionization potential of the which one is the highest? The right answer is argon. Question 56. Metal with maximum density here is OS. Question 57. Which of the following transition metal is the liquid state? Mercury. Which of the following has the highest ionization? Fluorine. Question 59. Elements of D blocks are called transition element. Question 60. The lightest metal is lithium. An example of non-stoichiometric compound is Fe3O4. Question 62. Which element of the following does not exist in a liquid state at the room temperature is sodium? Question 63. Which of the following elements is the most metallic? Bi. Question 64. Which one of the following has the largest size? C4 minus. Question 65. Which of the following is the smallest cation? Be++. Which of the following isoelectronic species has the largest size? N3 minus. The size of A plus and A minus follow the order A, C यानी A minus फिर greater than A plus. Which of the following has a zero electron affinity is the neon. Which has the highest electron affinity is chlorine. Transition metals are often permanganate owing to the presence of unpaired electrons. Question 71. Which block of the elements are mostly metals with high BP and MP value is the D block? Question 72. Which one of the following sequence of the chemical elements is correct in the terms of descending orders of atomic radius is B, C, N and O. Thanks for watching and sharing.